swear I live, eat, breathe, pray in this thing. Anyways, good morning. I just made an iced lavender matcha. I'm on my way to the nail salon right now. I need to get my toes done desperately. Girl is grown out. Today's just gonna be a nice little vlog of getting my life together, doing things that are productive. Is there a spot on my No, there is literally a spot on my camera right now. There we go. Usually whenever I get my nails done, I go to Lovely Nail Spa, and my girl Laura does the best job ever. But today we're on a little bit of a time crunch, so I'm gonna be trying out this nail salon called A Nails and Spa. It was close by, so we'll see if it's any good. Fingers crossed that it is good. I feel like you can't really mess up a pedicure. Nails are a little bit of a different story, but yeah. I'm very excited. Got some plans for tonight, but I will fill you guys in on that later. Everyone, really out here practicing my German. It's a beautiful Monday. I've been updating Matcha's records for this boarding place that he's gonna be staying at, and so they require you to have the rabies vaccine, distempera, whatever, so all of it is in this yellow thing. So I was just updating that this morning, but I'm actually about to head out right now and grab breakfast with one of my girlfriends before she leaves and goes back home for the summer. We are basically all done with school. I mean, this is like our last week, but it's only exams because all of the curriculum and learning and stuff, that was finished a week ago. I'm gonna miss her so much, and I told her I was gonna take her out for breakfast, so that's what we're gonna do. We're trying out this place called Goldie's. I've never been there before, but every time that I walk downtown, I see it. It's an intimate little bistro. It's definitely a family-owned restaurant. I've heard their coffee is amazing, so I will be getting a cup of coffee. And then I have 2 work calls today. One is at noon, the other is right after at 1 o'clock. After breakfast, I'm gonna shower, get put together. Right now, this is literally roll out of bed, put on my sunscreen, throw on my did you apply your SPF hat. We're gonna have a very wholesome morning. And then I have a Pilates class at 5:30 tonight, and immediately after I'm gonna go to the library on campus at Boise State University because I booked out a room on the 3rd floor for like 6 of my friends, and so we're just gonna study before our big exam tomorrow for biz statistics. I do feel like I've prepped very well for it though, so that gives me some reassurance. It's not like I'm just going into it with no prep at all. On that note, let's go get some grub. I forgot to take my vitamins today, so we're gonna go do that really quickly. With vitamins, you have to be consistent, and I found that when I take these in the morning instead of at night, the prebiotic, probiotic, and postbiotic in this works wonders. And also 2 of my hair gummies because I have been obsessed with these.
I wish you bluebirds in the spring to give your heart a song.
I just finished my makeup for the day, and now I need to figure out what outfit I'm gonna wear before I hop on 2 calls. This is always the hardest part. I think today I'm feeling this tank top. This is where it's from. It's from a boutique in Vietnam. I got it when I was on semester at sea, and I haven't really worn it that much, so I'm gonna wear this. And then for my pants today, I want something flowy or loose. Maybe a pair of jeans, like low-rise, baggy jeans. I have this pair that I got from Lulu's, and I absolutely love it, so I think I might just wear that. This is what they look like. Okay, wait, the fit is actually really cute. This is what the jeans look like. And then the top is just gorgeous, very lightweight but stretchy. No outfit is complete without smelling right and putting on perfume. Smelling good is very important to me. As you guys saw at the beginning of the video, my boyfriend left. And even though he was only here in Boise for a short period of time, there was one day where we were driving in the car and he was leaning his head on my shoulder and he was like, "You just have this specific smell about you. From your perfume, perfume to your car scent to everything. You have a signature scent. I looked at him and I was like, what do you mean? Like, what? You can smell it? But that is the best compliment. So if you are a boy watching this, take notes and compliment a girl, because girls spend a lot of money on perfumes and they're not cheap. It costs a lot to smell good, but I choose to be savvy. Thank you, Scentbird, for sponsoring today's video. Let me break this down, how Scentbird works, because it is incredible. Scentbird has the most diverse options. Almost all of the brands that come to my mind whenever I hear of higher end perfumes are on Scentbird, but sometimes I don't feel like committing, which is why I get it in this little travel size that's not only travel friendly on airplanes, in your purse, in your backpack. As y'all know, I'm a college student. Every bit of space in my backpack counts. It's so cute. In here is the Dolce & Gabbana light blue perfume. All you do is twist it over, press down, and the smell is luxury. This one has hints of apple, cedar, musk, lemon, and even a little bit of bamboo. Because I'm about to hop on 2 work calls, this Dolce & Gabbana smells like professional and very clean, which I love. This is not the one that I wear around my boyfriend. This is like girl boss. We're about to give a presentation for our final exam. This is one of my Scentbird bottles. The second one, this is the one that my boyfriend made comments on. From candles to perfume, I have always been a vanilla girl, and so I usually gravitate towards perfumes and scents that have notes of vanilla. So while I was on Scentbird, I took a quiz because I was like, okay, I need to know what is the best of the best perfumes that have vanilla and what I'm looking for that would suit my personality. So after taking the quiz, this is the one that Scentbird recommended to me. This one is the Michel Germain Orange Blossom and French Vanilla perfume. Oh my gosh. This bad boy has vanilla, orange blossom, jasmine, musk. I just took off the top part, but this is what it looks like inside. Each Scentbird has a 30-day supply of perfume, so that gives you enough time to figure out whether or not you love it and whether or not you want to buy the full size later. It smells so good, and this is the scent that I wear around my boyfriend. I have a letter right now on my nightstand. I spray all my letters with it because he lives far away. Scents and perfume is one of the best ways to remind somebody of someone else, or even just unlock a memory. There are so many times where I'll be walking by somebody and they have on a perfume that either my mom wears or my sister, and I'm like, oh my gosh, where are they? Are they here? Scents really do remind us of people. That is why I love Scentbird, because it is so portable and easy to carry. It's also very discreet. If my sister was getting married tomorrow and I'm in charge of planning her bachelorette party, I would get all the girls these. Just saying, just saying. If you want to deepen your knowledge about perfumery, they have the Scentbird Academy, and they have this whole video course where you can learn more about Jo Malone and the new scents that they're releasing with that. Like I said, Scentbird is quite literally incredible. If you're interested in trying out Scentbird today, you can click the link down below and use my code CarolineM at checkout. You'll get 55% off. That's code CarolineM, and you can get this at half the price. That's only $8. Usually I take my calls right here. Like, I'll sit there, have that in the background, but that is just not happening today with all of the outdoor furniture and construction going on. So I'm gonna hack the system and bring my bar stool and put it over there. Call number 1 is with a brand that's actually releasing a new app. Been able to use like the beta model and test it out for the last couple of days. And so now I'm talking with the brand, getting more of like a general overview of it and creating a little brief. Hi, I'm good, how are you?
What you're contracted for, and then I have you down for...
Correct.
Okay, awesome.
I did, yes.
That sort of thing.
Okay. First call, done. I'm gonna do some editing before my next one. On to call number 2. This one is on Google Meet this time. Hi.
Hi, Caroline.
How are you? It was a fast weekend, but it was a good one.
See, hit your inbox.
Oh my gosh, there's no better feeling than having just a great set of calls. Probably within the next couple of videos, you'll figure out why I was on a call and who I was on a call with. Done with that for right now, and I'm gonna throw on a sweatshirt, and Matcha and I are gonna go on a little walk. It's kind of windy right now, which is weird because it's been so sunny, and then all of a sudden it just got like really windy. I'm gonna put on a little sweatshirt. Let's go with, we're gonna wear a pretty blue one from the North Face. It's so cozy on. We'll probably go on an hour-and-a-half walk before I have to come back and then get ready for Pilates. Another task that I desperately need to do before the end of this week is hanging up this Coachella newspaper that I framed. I bought this simple white wooden frame off of Amazon, and it's so perfect for the little newspaper that I got when I was in Palm Springs. Okay, we just got to the park. Do you want to go on a walk? He absolutely loves going on walks. Of course, we're going to the dog park. I brought his little ball.
Easy come and easy go. You're an unfading star. A gentle love.
I got out of my Pilates workout and now I'm on my way to the library to meet up with some friends. I'm not even kidding. These beef sticks from Stowe Provisions, especially the hatch green chili one, so freaking good. I pack these for classes and after workout.
No matter how far. I guess you could call it chance, but we know it's more than that.
Good morning. Time to take the first final exam. I just got to campus. Y'all, the temperature dropped so far down. I don't even know what happened, but last week it was high 70s. Now it's 40. I think 45 degrees. Yep. Boise, want to explain what's going on? About to walk to the testing center. It's like a big room and it's filled with all of these computers, right? And like you each have your station. There are probably over 60 cameras in the testing center. All of those cameras are watching and the people sitting outside the testing center are watching as well. So anyways, if you also get like test performance anxiety, comment down below because I don't do well on tests and I've never done well on tests. Only thing that I'm allowed to bring is my calculator, which is this. So I'm gonna bring that. Obviously, I've been keeping y'all well informed on the book that I've been reading, We Were the Lucky Ones, and I've made it past the halfway mark, which is like amazing. Once you get older, you reach that point where reading is fun, and I absolutely love it. And my goal is to read at least 20 books by the end of 2024. Which I think I can totally do. I don't want to be late, so I'm gonna go to the testing center and I will update you guys after my microeconomics exam. Wish me luck. Guys, I passed. Well, I passed the class. We're not gonna talk about the exam grade, but I passed the class and that's all that matters. Yay! When I opened the exam and I saw that it was 24 questions, I silently screamed because that means that if I missed one, that's a lot of points. Yeah, but God was looking out for me and I checked my final grade. Pass. Okay, anyways, right now I am on my way to Caffeina Coffee Shop because I'm meeting with a photographer in the Boise area. She's gonna be shooting film and I'm gonna be her little model. For everybody wondering, this is what the dog park looks like. It is huge and there's just so many dogs. It's so cute. Absolutely gorgeous, even though it's a little overcast and cold today. But Mach and I are on a walk. I have a little bit more studying to do before my biz stat exam, but that's not until 6 p.m. tonight. So I've got a couple hours to kill. He is all out of food and we can't have the child starving now, can we? So I'm gonna go get him some more food and then, yeah.
You can take this ride wherever it goes, as long as you're with me. I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know.
Oh, yeah, that's cute. Hi vlog. We are currently on our way to take our biz stat exam, channeling our inner 2014 musically sped up. We did a little bit of studying at my house and we're just gonna knock this exam out of the way. I need it done.
Okay. And then we're gonna get a treat after?
We're getting a sweet treat after.
Because it's deserved.
It's deserved.
I'm already mentally checked out, but it's okay.
I know, I checked out way before today.
Yeah. Well, it's so nice out.
I feel at home. Yeah. I wave goodbye to my old life. Been reaching for some new heights. My baby there the whole time. And it feels right. You're by my side. A modern body and class. I know my way to figure out. Sometimes
all done. We're not talking about what grade we got, but
We passed.
we passed, and that's all that matters. Cheers.
Teenage therapy. Just a cup is all I need. I can close my eyes and breathe. A song in good conversations tastes just like medicine.